Hi everyone, in today's video we will talk about this program. This is C program, and it is asking for the output of this program. So basically here, if you see, this is infinite for loop, but it is terminated. That is important thing here. When it is terminated, the for loop does not have body, and this loop will keep on running infinite times, but since it does not have any body, or it is not printing anything, because you see here this thing semicolon, it will not print on the screen anything on the screen. So let's create a small program. Let me log into my Linux virtual machine. Let's make a directory here. We'll go inside this directory. I will use vi editor to create one small program. I will name this file name as main.c. You can give any name, and here let me write a loop, like this. So let me create a for loop which runs 5 times, and it has a body. In the body it is just printing hello 5 times. Let me run this. Main.out is our binary. It got compiled. If I run this, you will see hello is printed 5 times. Now let me show you an interesting thing. Let me terminate this for loop here. If I terminate this loop here, means this loop will run 5 times, but it is not having any body. That means this block will not be part of the above for loop. So in this example, this program, what will happen is this loop will run 5 times. It will not anything, but after after exiting from the loop, this block will run, and then this will be printed only once. Okay, remember, this is printed only once because loop has already run 5 times, and this block is not part of that loop. So let's save it. Let me compile it again. It will compile. Let me run it. You see here hello is printed only one time, because that printf statement is not part of for loop. So yeah, so now coming back to our original problem, where we had infinite for loop. We don't have any initialization condition or increment decrement. We have like this. So what will happen is this for loop will run infinite times. Control will never reach to this block, so this will keep on running and it will not print anything. Let's run this. Let me save it. Let me run this one more time. Let's see what happens. You see, you will not see anything, but this program is still running. How we can check? We can duplicate this tab, and here I can check whether yes, the main.out is running or not. You see here main.out is still running, and here if you see it's running continuously, but it is not printing anything. So I can terminate this program by pressing Ctrl C. Now if you see here, if I run this command one more time, you will not see the program, because that is not running now. So this was about, let me go back to the program. So this was about for loop, infinite for loop without body. If I go back to the question, it has two for loop without body. So even if I put two, or if I put one or two, it doesn't make sense. The first one itself will run infinite time, and second loop will never get chance to run. So let me create one more for loop here. And if I follow the question, it is just printing hello. Same thing I'm doing. I can remove this braces. It doesn't matter whether you add or not, because printf statement will not be a part of this for loop. So let me run this program one more time. I save the file. I'll compile one more time. I will run it like this. You see here I am not seeing anything because the first loop is running in for 5 times. If I see here, if I come here and check for this process, it started running again. You see it's running. You see it started at 7:28, and this is a binary name. Yeah. So that's all I want to show in this program. Thanks for watching.